Hello dear friends! In this video I'll be making the Tropicana dessert. As always, you'll find the list of ingredients below the video. I'm preparing the gelatin by pouring it into a small bowl and adding cold water. I will let it bloom for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I combine milk, cream, coconut cream and sugar in a saucepan. I place the pan over medium heat and stir, bringing it close to a boil. The sugar should dissolve completely, but I won't let it boil. I'll turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool to about 86 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. I melt the bloom gelatin by heating it in the microwave in bursts of 10 to 15 seconds until it liquefies. Then, I add the gelatin to the mixture and stir thoroughly until it's fully dissolved. If you want to avoid lumps, you can strain the mixture through a fine sieve, this is optional, and pour it into a jug or container with a spout for easy pouring. You can use any glasses or dishes you have at home for this dessert. Pour the mixture into the glasses. Let it cool slightly at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, so it sets well while remaining delicate. For the fruit layer, I will need grapefruit, mango, and lychee juicy pearls with lychee juice. Dice the mango into small pieces, peel and segment the grapefruit, and cut it into small pieces as well. First layer the grapefruit, then the mango, and finally the lychee juicy pearls. Chill the dessert in the fridge until cold, then serve.